Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. So we are learning the chapter 12, that is force, work and energy. So today we have to learn a new topic, that is mechanical energy. So basically there are two forms of mechanical energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? The energy which is stored in any moving object. Okay, like moving marble, moving stones, moving toys, riding bicycle, riding car. Okay, means the energy which is stored in any moving object is known as kinetic energy. And the potential energy, the energy which is stored in any object when it is in a fixed position, then it is called as a potential energy. Now we will see by one example how the potential energy and kinetic energy are interrelated. Now if I'll take, there is a toy which is kept on a table. Now until it is kept on a table, that means now this toy store a potential energy. Okay, now if I throw away this toys from the table, so what happened, now this toys is falling on the earth, means now the toys in the moving condition. So now when the toys is falling on the earth, it will consist, or it will store the kinetic energy till it will touch the earth. And finally when it will fall down on the earth or touch the earth, that means again it is in a fixed position, so again the kinetic energy will be converted in a potential energy. Okay, so in this way there is a conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy and kinetic energy to potential energy. Now if we will take example of a dam, now with until and the water is stored in a dam, that means it consists potential energy. Now when we release the water and moves the turbine to produce electricity, that means when we release the water, now water has a kinetic energy. Until it is stored in a dam, that means it has the potential energy. Now when we release the water to generate the electricity or to produce the energy, now flowing water consists kinetic energy. Okay, now next topic we have, that is biogas. So first we have to know biogas is a source of energy. Okay, and it is a renewable energy, means non-renewable and renewable energy. We have non-renewable energy, means we which we cannot regenerate, like a petrol, diesel, we cannot regenerate them, but the renewable energy means we can generate again and again. So first biogas or gobar gas, we all have learned or we have heard this word gobar gas, which is actually made of the agriculture waste, animal excreta, and so basically this when the animal waste and agriculture waste is kept at together at a place for so many days, and compost that is obtained by this product is an excellent manure, or it is a source of energy or source of fuel. It is a excellent fuel because this gobar gas consists methane, and methane is a very excellent fuel. So in a blaze, with the help of this sorry, in the blaze, this methane gas used as a uh, fuel for cooking as well as for so many functions. So it is very, first it is very money saving, or it is very cost efficient gas which every villagers can make easily. Second, it saves us from the costly synthetic fertilizers. It also make us two things we can get by composing these waste. First we get the methane biogas, and second we get the remaining compost which we use as a fertilizer. So this is the biogas. Now if you have any doubt, then please ask me during the live class. Till thank you.